Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to the food place. Did you see my last video? If you're new here, welcome. I have some interesting videos. The Kindly Copy is going to take you to those videos and you can enjoy them. I made them easy videos and they are easy steps that you can follow to learn some simple tricks in the kitchen. And if you did not see my last video, I would want you to see it. I brought in a friend of mine who taught us how to make a local fish soup, and I mean, it was delicious. But today I have a friend of mine whom I will allow to introduce herself and tell us what she's going to make for us in the kitchen today. So here is my friend. I will allow her to introduce herself and then she's going to pick up from there.
Hi everyone, my name is Olatunde Onobajo. I'm so excited to be here. Thank you so much, Ore, for inviting me to be a part of this video. Alright, so today I'm bringing to you guys one of a local dish that I love personally. It's called yam porridge. In Yoruba, obviously, and in Yoruba land they call it asaro. I know there's a couple of varieties from other culture, but I'll be making it the way my mama taught me how to make it. So please come with me. Let's check out some of the ingredients. First of all, I'm going to dice the yam into tubes. So give me a second, let me do that, and then I'll come back on the video and show you guys what they look like after I've sliced and taken out the bark. All right, be right back. Okay, so now the ingredients are ready. I'm going to show you all the things that we need to make this asaro. We're going to start with the yam. I've cut the yam. For me, it doesn't really matter what size of yam you cut, because at the end we're still going to kind of mash all this up together. But this is the size that I came up with. The next ingredients that I'm going to show you, about 3/4 vegetable oil, half a cup of crayfish here. I have some Maggi's. I'm not going to use all this Maggi, but I will let you know as I'm cooking. You will get to see. I have a bowl of shrimp. Like I said, I love shrimp. I have about 2 cans of sardine in here. I have some sweet peppers and a Scotch bonnet. You don't pay no mind to this one. It's really for me to blend my Maggi. I do have some salt here. I'm going to be using about a teaspoon of salt, maybe even less. We'll see as we go. I have palm oil here. I have some bell peppers here. I have onions. Like I said, you can use as many onions as you want. So let's get cooking. All right, come with me as we make yam porridge today. All right, welcome back everyone. So I've cut the yam. Now I'm going to start adding the ingredients to cook it. I know some people like to fry the pepper of the yam first. Again, doing it the way that my mama taught me. I'm going to pour the pepper into the yam now. So in this pepper here, I have the bell pepper. I put 1 Scotch bonnet. I added a whole bulb of onions, and I believe that was about it. Okay, so don't mind my. All right, I think that's about it. I'm adding, when I blended the 2 bell pepper onions, it kind of filled the container, but I'm using half of it because I'm going to fry this pepper later for a sauce. Stay tuned for that. Okay, so I'm going to add the vegetable oil. Again, I know some people like to kind of just cook the things separately. I'm not much of a person like that. I just kind of put everything together and let it cook. Let the yam take in all the flavors. I'm adding the shrimps now. Oh, I need to turn off the stove, the burner, as they say. Is this? That's funny, as I'm led to. Okay, then I'm going to add my tomato sauce just to bring in some of that redness. I didn't put any water. It was very little, maybe like half a cup of water. Very little to minimum water in it, because I want the sauce to kind of cook the yam. Obviously, if I need to add more water, I will add as we go on, but I'll let you know. Then I'm going to add some of the palm oil. So you just this is about what, half a cup that I'm adding now. And the last thing that I need to do is add my Maggi's. Maggi chicken, the 2 cubes, and 1 Maggi crayfish. Okay, so that's all my ingredient that I've added there. And just let the yam cooking this, and then I'm going to cover it and let you. Okay. I'm going to let the stove, the heat, do its magic to cook all this, and then leave it here for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll come back and see what's cooking in the stove, okay, in the pot. All right, let me get my cover. Let me get my cover and cover it, and then that's it. We'll come back 10 to 15 minutes later to see what's cooking in the stove. All right, see you guys soon. Everyone, it's been so amazing process so far. So the yam porridge has been boiling for a couple of minutes now. It's been boiling for a couple of minutes, and I wanted to show you where we are in the process. So come with me and let's look in the pot. I wish you guys were here to smell the deliciousness that is coming from this pot. But anyway, so earlier when I was cooking, I told you I didn't add any water. All I added was just the blended pepper. And so as you can see, the blended pepper is cooking. You can see some of the palm oil around the pot. So it tells me that this is slowly but surely cooking. We still have a few more minutes to go. Ooh, I hope that's not one of my yam is burning there. We still have a few more minutes to go, but I just wanted to kind of stir it around. Ooh, look at that shrimp. Ooh, I cannot wait to taste that. Okay, so some of the yam is becoming soft, and some of them still have a few ways to go. So I will cover this again and let it just cook for a few more minutes. Yeah, the yam is still a little bit hard, so maybe another 5-7 minutes I should say. I'll check this out again. Okay, so stay tuned. We're going to taste this, and you guys, I wish you would come with me and just eat this deliciousness up. But we'll be right back. Welcome back, guys. So while the porridge is cooking and almost done, I am going to make a sauce for the porridge to kind of add an extra level of deliciousness to it. With this sauce, I like to use a little bit more oil, and just to kind of give it that frying flavor. Wonderful deliciousness. I'm going to use about a cup. I don't judge with me if this is up to a cup of oil. I love onions, as I said earlier in my recording. I've diced about another bulb. Thank you very much. I heard it's bulb of onions. I've diced it here. It doesn't have to be tiny pieces of onions. If you like your onions very large, you can definitely slice it large. I always say when you're cooking, it's not about perfection, right? It's just about getting the ingredients together and making it amazing. However, when you put love into it, you put your heart into cooking, I think it comes out very beautifully. So, all right, I'm going to add all these onions in the oil. I know it's not very hot yet, but as the oil gets hot, it definitely, you start to hear that sizzling, nice sauténess of. As you have noticed, I make up a lot of words when I'm cooking, just because I love it. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to check on our porridge. Whew. Oh my gracious. Yes. The yam is definitely. Ooh, look at that. Did you see that? Look at that. Look at that. That just cuts right through. This yam has been cooking in a sauce of amazingness. So now I'm going to reduce the fire a little bit.
Welcome back, guys. I'm sure you already seen our plates. Yes, we plated our food already, and we're ready to eat. So just wait for us and let us tell you what it tastes like.
And give us the honest opinion.
Yeah, I wish you guys can actually
smell it
and
then taste it. Yeah.
I don't know if you can.
I'm going to taste it.
Okay, let's taste. You didn't bless your food. See this?
Oh, sorry.
I cut them.
We've been blessed. We bless this food as we eat it in Jesus' name. Thank you, Lord, for giving us the opportunity.
I really like it. Okay. I like the taste of the fish. In the sauce.
Taste of the sauce.
Oh yeah. So now I'm gonna go and do this at home.
Yes.
Yeah, I like
This
it.
is a new way of cooking.
I'm gonna compare my husband's asaro. I mean, I have to say he makes the baddest one. I give the heart. I'm thinking. Sorry.
No, you can say it.
I love your asaro. This is a different style. Without the sugar though.
Yes, there's no sugar.
There's no sugar in
I said without the sugar.
I hear people put sugar in their porridge, but this one, it's rich.
I love it.
Like, it is rich. And the yam so dissolves in your mouth. I want to stop talking now.
And I like how you broke it.
The yam, yeah.
And she was like, why is she breaking it? Because I know we will leave ours to cook and soften up and eventually, you know, becomes like potato-ish like the other one. But I like this. It's really nice.
This is yummy.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video to the end. So for those that watch it actually, if you are not subscribed, please kindly click the subscribe button on this screen. If there is any particular meal that you would want us to cook in the Foodplace kitchen, just use the comment section below, and I promise you, if I can make it, I'm gonna invite someone else to do it. Thank you so much for joining us, from every one of us, from Sarah, from Latsinde, and from me. Do you know my name actually? Okay, that's a guess. That is a question for the next video. Till next time, remember to subscribe. Enjoy the Cali Copy as well to enjoy some other videos. Very easy step-by-step cooking. Stay blessed. Bye.
Bye.